Hello, 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 hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Can somebody hear me? Yeah, so you can hear me, guys. Welcome to this live stream. We have our trading plan, we have our trading journal, and we are here on the 1st of August 2021, backtesting this pair. Let's go ahead, get these trades right over here, potentially somewhere. Yeah, we will have it like this, and then we have the sessions around here at the top, and then we have this right over here, and we can go on the monthly time frame. On the monthly, we can see that we don't have any data. On the weekly as well. On a daily time frame, we're approaching this resistance. We close like this on a so we will open something like this. This is New York. Okay. So this is London session. Now we're trying to form some sort of support here. But this is a candle only for 2 hours, so nothing. Nothing major. I see this as a rejection and a continuation if we break these lows. On the 4-hour time frame, we have this level here, which we need to break for sells to come up to this level. And then for buys, if we break this level, we have this clean traffic to the upside to retest these levels to the upside here. Yeah, on the 1 hour, if we go on the 1 hour, we have this support right over here, which we need to break for sells. Then we have this support here, this resistance here to break for buys. Let's start playing. And let's check also on 30-minute, we're showing some signs of rejection, but we need to close above. Yeah, now we're closing above finally. On the 1 hour, we're pushing above. Interesting, but we cleaned most of our moves, so this is not something very nice. And yeah. 15-minute now is pushing, so we missed this trade. 30-minute is also pushing. So yeah, this is on the 4 hour, this is on 30-minute, this is on 15-minute, 5-minute doesn't, we don't have it. Okay, so we broke above and we missed this move. This happens all the time. So what we need to do now is wait for a support to form, come back down, form a support, and then break the support confirmation or break these highs, and then we start pushing back to the upside. The 4 hour will be closing in the 4 hour will close in 15 minutes, so it would be nice if we close something like this so we can get a trade for the push to the upside. Also, the 1 hour will close in 10 minutes now. Now we're having this rejection. This is perfect. Look, oh, we came back and closed back inside the range. This is not good for buys anymore. Yeah, I don't like this at all. But if we see on the 1 hour, how big is the stop loss on the previous 1 hour is 10 pips. The 4 hour, the 4 hour still is bullish. We're close below the support. The daily is still indecision. Yeah, if we get a 15-minute closure bullish, maybe we can have, yeah, we have a 15-minute closure bullish now. So now we can anticipate a continuation move to the upside because we came back from that resistance, we confirmed this support. How big is, oh, we just missed it. Yeah, 6 pip, overall 15 pip would have been a nice trade. 35 pip, yeah, we missed this also. It's fine. It is fine. The cool thing is about that we were anticipating this. We closed back inside the range, but then we waited for that 15-minute closure. We got this 15-minute support bullish closure back in above this previous resistance, so you anticipate a wick fill. Now you have also 30-minute closure bullish. This should just push to the upside in my opinion. But price, what does the price do? Just retest this level once again and come back inside. The overall daily bias is bearish. This is invalid candle. So this is just open here, having a wick, came back, and then we can start with filling this wick to the downside. The 4 hour, the 1 hour, 30-minute. The 1 hour closed like this, the 30-minute like indecision, so okay. So we need candles to close back above or back inside the range. We have a 30-minute closure back above, but I don't trust this at all. We need to see how price will react. Yeah, it's coming back inside, it's coming down now. This is perfect. We just pushed to the bottom of this level, which is, I'm gonna clone and update this level. This is the lows that price needs to break. Now we're breaking this support. This is perfect. We showed super strength here. Actually, after this 1 hour closure, you could have entered a sell, but the stop loss would have been massive, like 20 pips just for 9 pip take profit. But yeah, if you get a closure below this level on the 1 hour, I think it should be very nice. Yeah, 30-minute is just pushing now. The 15-minute is just pushing. We can have a support, and then we can show that resistance, and then if we come and break below these lows, usually on the first breakout it's never a good thing to enter sells, but this can potentially be a very nice move. Around 15 pip stop loss and 35 pip take profit, just like our execution that we have around here. So let me just add the 5-minute chart here, just so we go like this a bit faster. So the 1 hour can now close like weak like this, and the next 1 hour can just push if we don't push in this. Okay, I entered a sell here, even though it's the last 5 minutes, but yeah, I thought maybe we can get a quick push, so I get at least a very nice entry. But I'm happy with the way that this candle is closing. Obviously, I would love this candle to close below here, or at least close bearish. But let's see. Yeah, candle is closing bearish, 30-minute is closing bearish. We can easily enter another sell here, going full risk. Yeah, maybe I should have waited for a wick to form on 30-minute, because we're approaching the support here, but as it seems now, it's a nice move. We can have a clean move. Yeah, 1 hour. I don't like this. We're having this push. Perfect. Perfect push. Once we get to 250, I'm gonna close one position and then put another position at the break even. Very nice. Push. 10 pip, 9 pip. I will put one position in break even just to not risk full. If we plan to retrace, or actually both positions, because after this push I don't trust anymore the market to come to the upside, come again back inside the range, and yeah, the 15 minutes should be able to just push to the downside now. And yeah, but anyway, we can get hit easily at stop loss. We can get hit at break even, which I'm fine, because both scenarios were very risky in the beginning. How many pips we were in profit? At one point we were maximum at 10 pip. So yeah, now potentially we will just continue. No, yeah, we continue to a maximum of 14 pips. Okay, then we closed again bearish. If you check the atom, we're coming back inside the range, and this is technically, this should be a buy because this is our U-turn setup. So I'm gonna take a buy here just because of our U-turn setup, and I'm gonna see if this trade will work out. But this is very risky setup. I know this. I'm very happy even if I lose this setup, but like I'm testing one potential position. Let me just go here, price at support, full risk, break even, bear sell, break the lows. The trade was in 1 hour, I think. About 1 hour. Trade was in the morning, 9:30. No, 10:30, 10, 1, 0. Price closed. Bearish and broke the long candle. So yeah, this is gonna be very tricky because obviously it's a very risky setup. On all time frames the price is bearish. I'm just on the 1 hour, as you can see, on the 30-minute, everywhere the price is very bearish. I just wanted to test this setup because I've been trying to find, after for example price gives a big push move and then we form some sort of range support, and then we break that one and then came back inside, and then on the break of those highs technically the price should push up, but obviously this is not 100% reliable. And yeah, but this is, I just wanted to take the time and execute on this setup. So yeah, we are at a support level right now. We can maybe put, yeah, we're almost hitting stop loss at break even, 1 hour closed bearish, so they should be very, very good sell position. In my opinion, this is an amazing sell. I'm just gonna wait to execute on this sell overall because this is basically a textbook sell. You get the 10 pip stop loss with potentially, yeah, I'm gonna take this sell. I got that hit, but it's fine because we're gonna recover on this for sure. I have believe that we will come. Loss minus 0.5. That's 15 minute loss with the top and then momentum to the downside and put me at stop loss. Feel unwaved and the risk is set up and Kakama Panda. Let's see if we will manage to get this push. We're breaking the lows. Technically we should not come and break the highs, but let's see. Price can surprise us at any time. Yeah, we also hit, so this is price at support. Half risk, bear sell. Candle flip, I think, or break of the lows. 1 hour, 1 hour. Current candle. 132 loss. Minus 0.5. Kakamo Panda. Okay, so this was the original U-turn setup. This is what I wanted, like this push I wanted right here. But yeah, this is like 16 pips, 17 pips. Oof, look at that retracement. Price is just playing, messing around so much. Daily is still bearish. The 4 hour now is flipping bullish after that 4 hour breakout. And already took too many trades for today. 30 minute. It's bullish. If we close back inside the range for this 1 hour, next 1 hour should just continue. Yeah, this textbook continuation on the 1 hour time frame. I don't get it why it's so like this. We get something like this. So 1 hour close bullish. Now we're breaking to the downside, but if we flip, we can easily see a breakout to the upside. Yeah, I'm gonna take all my buys. My stop loss is so small. Okay. Let's see. I should have adjusted my stop loss here. We're about to get hit. This is very normal. My stop loss should have been at least 20 pips, but let's see if that 20 pips stop loss, no, even 20 pips stop loss would not have worked out. So price was at resistance, half risk, bear, buy, break of the highs. Was it break of the highs? Yeah, candle flip, not break of the highs. The 1 hour current candle. Minus. Price. Okay, now we don't have more because we lost all our. Now the 4 hour is just doing what it should be done before continuing. This was just a fake out inside. Technically, on the break of these lows, we should have been able to enter the trades. This one, if we didn't miss this one here to wait for the, we would never be inside this trade, and then we could have easily get execution on this trade and then catching all these pips here, just like this. For example, we would have been on the break of the lows here, 20 pips for 20. Yeah, we had the 30-minute low hour candle formation, perfect sells, but took too many trades today, and yeah, now we can just see these trades happening but not actually executing because yeah, you have 13 pips, 20 pips already in profit. This is the what you get when you take trades without control. So let's just go ahead and clone this on the 1 hour. this previous resistance right over here. We should have already, wait. Now we came back, formed the support. Now we're breaking these highs. Technically, we should continue to the upside, but if we get a wick to the downside first, then come and break these highs that we currently formed, we should be able to have a very nice move. Daily is bearish, weekly is bearish. This is a bit not according to our trading plan. But for sure, if we get some sells below this level, we can look for sells. Other than that, I don't think we can take any trades today. Buys, yes, but buys are risky. Buys only if we come make a very nice wick and then come back inside, then break the highs. Yeah, that I can see that those trades taking. Other than that, I don't see for buys. For sells, if we break the support here, that means that the daily will flip and break the lows, and then we can continue to a downside easily. 30-minute is whatever, 15-minute is very weak. Yeah, 15-minute is respecting the lows. The 5-minute, how is it? The 5-minute is nothing. Now we're breaking on the 5-minute finally, so yeah. Oof, look at that break. Now we're coming back inside this range. And now if we come and break these highs, maybe we can take some buys, but other than that, I don't see the 30-minute, the 15-minute. Now if we break these lows, no, we broke the highs. Doesn't make sense. Let me check the 1 hour is bearish now. It will close like this, back inside above, outside the range. The 4 hour can continue. On the last 2 hours, we have a very nice wick that we wanted before, and then if we break the highs, we can easily continue. But we are breaking the highs or no? Yeah, 15 pip. So the 30-minute is bullish. Our candle, 15-minute. Yeah, we missed this trade. We missed this. Oh my god, we missed it. So as soon as I saw our candle forming, I checked our 15-minute confirmations. We had it there, and then we could have easily been in a now exactly 1-to-1 risk to reward, and then easily continuing to the top of this range, in my opinion. So let's see this trade driving. Yeah, just exactly top of the range achieved. This would have been the trade of the day here. 25 pip. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm happy that overall it played out as soon as I saw our candle formation here. That is what is the most important, even though I am in a drawdown of 1.5% already here. So now we're getting that rejection to the top. We have the previous 1 hour with no wick at the bottom forming. Now we can easily get this 1 hour potentially close bearish, and then next 1 hour can just flip and continue its bearish momentum. If we break these lows, we will potentially come close, but I'm not gonna take those sells because those seems a bit risky. You see, broke the lows, continuing to the downside, very easy trade. And yeah, the 1 hour we had confirmations of the 1 hour here. How many pips? Yeah, 10 pips for 27 pips, and that's it. 30 pip, the 30-minute candle, perfect confirmation. One doji candle, almost doji, and then you have a resistance confirmation candle. So basically, this I'm talking about this trading plan. When price rejects the high, something like this made the high, then came back from resistance, breaks the low, continuation to a downside. Price makes a high, came back from resistance, reject of this high, come back inside the range. That is everything that I saw today. So yeah, the 1 hour, the daily is now starting to flip potentially. 4 hour is breaking the previous 4 hour low. We have 3 more hours on the 4 hour to go, so that is a very good driving. We have 15 minutes, same like 30-minute hour candle formation. We have the same confirmation on 15 minute, so you can easily go and continue having this push. Yeah, simple setup. I'm very happy with this setup. Exactly right at resistance. But you would say why we didn't take the, why you don't say about this candle. If we go and check this candle here at 9, so now we need to check 9 and 9:15. Look at these. This is the confirmation. Bullish, then bearish, breaking all the lows, and the next one is just continuation. This is bearish, yes, but this one is very weak, and it broke the highs and never broke the lows, so this is not showing so good strength. So here is like bearish, and then you have the next bullish breaking the highs and then engulfing completely, just like here, bullish and then bearish, breaking the lows to continue to a downside. So now daily candles are daily lows are being broken. 4 hour is potentially just gonna continue. We need a 1 hour closure potentially, or we just gave us, price just gave us the 30-minute candle closure and then just bye bye. The analysis was very good, but we didn't execute on anything. 23 pips. Oof, ooh, whoa, this is massive. For today, I don't think we can have anything. The 4 hour is just continuing. The 1 hour candle is just smashing through 60 pip. Yeah, we missed this 60 pip move to the downside based on our candle formation, so that would have been a very nice till the bottom of the range minimum, and the next candle just stops at break even and then let it run just like this, because potentially we will now, after we find some sort of resistance, now we can easily come and retest the low, I believe. Let's give it this trade a second chance. If we come and break the lows, how many pips we have here? We have 14, 16 pips. So let's see, as soon as we start break the lows, I'm gonna enter a sell. Obviously, if we don't break the highs. So let's see. Yeah, not really. We're not breaking. We're potentially overall. This is not what I want to see. Price is coming back inside the range. And now this is too late in the day. So yeah, price found support. 4 hour close back inside the range. Daily is bullish. Wow. Daily closed hour candle. The 4 hour candles are bearish. So we can have a sell potentially here. And then yeah. Let's see. We don't have a lot of volume here, right, at support. This seemed at the time very nice trade. Alright, it's based on the 4 hour. Let's see if this candle will play out or not. Or we have a nice entry, I would say. If we come and break the 4 hour highs here, potentially close half of my position. Oh yeah. We can, but I'm just gonna let this trade run. Just close here everything. That was a fake out. I need to wait for the volume to pop in. So this is pre-London. Now if we come and we're in a range at the moment. If we come and break out this range from both upside and downside, I believe we will have a nice move on either way. 4 hours bullish, so I'm leaning on the bullish side, but the daily is bearish, so it's gonna be tricky. But the lows are being broken, so technically we should, yeah, we are still just inside the range. Ooh, there is a nice buy above. Right, maybe I should have waited for the closure, but anyway, let's see if we will have a closure. Yeah, we have a closure now. I can enter another. Oh, too late buy. What is this? Too late. Yeah. The second buy is very late. But maybe we will. Let me see. We don't have a 1 hour closure yet. Our stop losses are in a very good position, so we can. I'm gonna keep these positions. As of now, let me check on the 4 hour is also bullish. Yeah, let's keep this position. I'm not very happy with the second position. Second position, I'm gonna close 50% of it. Put it at break even because I don't want that position to risk any of my profits or put me in drawdown or anything. Yeah, probably potentially will get stopped out now. Let me see, yeah, 15 minutes should not break the lows. Continuing to the upside, let's see. Maybe it was very impulsive, but I felt like price didn't do, I mean, technically price did what we wanted. It's like 41 to 1 risk to reward gave us right at, for example, if you go to our price breaks the range, price breaks the range to the upside, just like here. We broke the range to the upside and then it just continues, just like now. It's gonna push potentially, yeah. Finally, you get that push that we wanted originally of 20 pip. And then yeah, now we have 30-minute candle also. We have the confirmations here that it will push to the upside, but not sure what it will do. We need to wait and see. No, this time it didn't act as it should have been because it's potentially around this resistance. Not every time, obviously, it will act as it should. The 1 hour, the 30-minute. Yeah. 1 hour is telling me that it can flip and move to the upside, but not really. This is very strong resistance as it seems as of now. 4 hours closing right at resistance. So we need to be very, very cautious if we want to take buys only on the break of the highs, just like this. But the break of the highs here are very, very tricky. The body of the bull candles are being very small, meaning that there is not a lot of volume. So yeah, the 4 hour candle, the 1 hour, the 30-minute candle came back inside. And now we're breaking to the downside. This is cool. I see this just moving down. And now if you have, last 15 minutes is bullish. Nothing here. The 1 hour candle. This will potentially, oh, I took a buy here. Why I took a buy? I wanted to take a sell. Because I believe we'll get that push. We have 15 minutes. Move this at break even because it seems very risky setup. And then potentially I'm gonna close 50% and let the rest run right over here. One hour is just our candle formation here, just showing the value of that setup. So, but I'm gonna close everything here. I don't want to hold this trade anymore. We have already been in this position since here. And then break of the lows, we were in 28 pip, but overall 15 pip closure. This is very good. We have forgotten price at support, half, bear sell, break the lows, 1 hour, or 1 hour actually, our candle, like our candle, 1 hour, 10:30, when 0.5. And now we wait, we check the 4-hour close bearish. Well, that was also the 4-hour closure here on the break of the lows. This should have been full position here. Dailies though flipping, we're respecting the previous day's highs. The weekly is flipping, broke the weekly lows yesterday. So we should. Ooh, look at this move. What? This was insane. So there is monthly, weekly is now rejecting all the way up, daily engulfed everything. 4 hour is showing strength to the upside, 1 hour is now right at resistance. And then you have this take profit level, and then you have this level here, and then you have another level here. we can clone and update the selected levels. So just like that, daily is also 30 minutes is also untagged, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. So on the 30 minute, we have a closure to a downside. Now we're breaking the lows. We should have been in a good sell. If we break the lows, go on the 15 minute, how does the 15 minute candle closes? Bullish, not so good on the range, bottom of the range, bullish candle closure. This is not something that we want. Closing above, we missed the buys there. See closure above the resistance. This is perfect. And then you would have been in buys. And then look at these buys. Look at now 1, 2, 3. Poof, poof. Look at that. Yeah, we missed this 20 pip. These buys above resistance. Already would clean all the range in terms of stop loss to give you still one-to-one trade. This would have been very, very good trade. Oof, look at these buys. Now we will have a rejection potentially if we have some sort of support somewhere around here, but yeah, this is too big for support. Now we can have some buys. I believe in these buys. We will retest the high. Yeah, if we manage to not come to the entry point, okay. But I'm not very comfortable after, especially after this very weak bullish, to be in the trade in the drawdown, because I don't see this having too much volume to the upside. So yeah, oof, this was news potentially. Yeah, look at these news. Weekly is gonna close bullish. Daily is now bullish right at resistance. We have a 4-hour bullish closure at support, retesting this previous resistance, now turning confirming as support, so we can easily tap this level. On the 1 hour, we are in the very nasty range, which we just cleaned it. And yeah, so we tapped that resistance of support, and I don't see anything more than that happening today on a Friday. Look at all that rejection. So yeah, 4-hour close like that. The 1 hour is now rejecting. We can take one last buy here for the sake of trading, just to mess around a bit, but I think we will close this session with all trades taken in one day, having this 3 consecutive losses in a day, which was over trading obviously, but we had some very cool analysis. We're gonna close this because this is gonna be a potential sell. After finding resistance, we can try having another buy if we break above this level. Other than that, price will just push down. And yeah, we will have a negative week. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna give this trade a second chance. Let's see, we have a buy. Let me go full risk here. So let me close one position. This is not looking so good. And yeah. This is market open now. we held the trade over the weekend, which is the worst thing to ever do. That's why you lose. Yeah, okay, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel. I hope some of our analysis that played out will help you to find some sort of trading plan on your side, and we're gonna be back and testing our trading plan once again tomorrow potentially, or the day after tomorrow, we will see. And yeah, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, support the channel. Wish you a very nice weekend.